Have you ever struggled to find what attachments will suit your machines and how much they'll cost you? In this video here, I'm going to run you through our attachment finder and how it can help you. So we have loaded 22 of the core excavator brands, 184 excavator models and 200 of our attachment SKUs onto our easy to use attachment finder. You can jump in there, select your model and find the attachments specifically made to suit your machine. You might want to use the attachment finder as it shows you all of the available attachment options for your machine, and we're completely open and transparent with our retail pricing and specifications for these attachments. This will help you compare prices and options and make a well-informed buying decision. So to use the attachment finder, you just head to our website, attach2.com. At the top of the home page, you'll see this button, Open Attachment Finder. You just click on that. This will take us through to the excavator brands page, showing you all the excavator brands. You just select whatever brand your machine is. For example, we'll select Kubota. This takes us through to the excavator models page, showing you the models under that brand. We'll select U27 for example. This then takes us through to the attachments page, showing you all the attachments available to suit that excavator model, showing you the pricing, key specifications, allowing you to make an informed buying decision after reviewing all the attachments available. Go ahead, try out our attachment finder, see the transparent pricing and available attachments to suit your machines, and give us a call when you're ready to buy.